Hi, this is Mr. Orr with Lesson 2 in using the TI-83, TI-84 graphing calculator. Today we'll be looking at two functions, one of which is the answer function down here at the bottom. For that we'll need the blue second key up here. And the other one we'll be looking at finding roots of numbers, square roots, cube roots, etc. So let's start with the answer function here. Suppose we had done a calculation, and I'll just make it a very simple one. We had 48 divided by 7.34. And we had gotten an answer. And here's our answer, and it's obviously a lengthy decimal if we want to be reasonably accurate about it. And now we have a number like 12.6, and we want to divide that number by the previous answer. Rather than, so I'll hit the division sign, rather than typing in that long number, all we have to do is hit the second button and then down here to answer. So we go second answer, which calls back the answer from the previous problem and brings it into this one, and then we hit enter and we get our answer. All right, so that's a very useful function, particularly as we get into some of the more complicated things that we'll be doing with the calculator. For example, finding sine, cosine, and tangent of numbers, of angles. So let's go on to the second thing we want to work on today, which is finding roots. Now, the easiest one would be a square root, and all you have to do is hit second square root, which is right here. You can see the symbol right above the x squared button. Second square root, and we'll put in a 25 to find the square root of 25, and we do enter, and there's our answer of 5. Now, suppose, however, we wanted to find a cube root, a fourth root, a fifth root. Not much harder, actually. All we have to do is go to the math button here, and I'm going to go down to number 5, which is the xth root. And I will hit enter to bring that forth. And onto the screen, I now have the opportunity to put into this box whatever root I want. So in this case, let's do the cube root. And then over here, I believe I have to scroll over to that. We'll move over to here. And let's find the cube root of 8. So I put in the 8, and then I hit enter, and I get an answer of 2. All right, let's do one more root. Let's go to math again. We'll go down here to 5. Excuse me, let's back up because I went the wrong way. Down here to 5, and I'll hit enter. Now, in this case, let's find the fourth root of 16. So I'll move over here. 16 is what goes in here. And there's our answer. So that gives you a couple of new functions, the answer function and the root function. I will see you next time. Thank you.